Hello friends, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, you are going to learn how to write notice for quiz competition. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First of all, you have to start with the name of the school. Here, for example, I am writing Mahadev High School, Bhubaneswar. Next, you have to write notice in bold letters. Next, to the left hand side corner, you have to write the date on which the notice is being published. Here, for example, I am writing 20th February 2023. Next, towards the center, you have to write which competition in capital letters. This is to inform you that our school is organizing a quiz competition on 28th February 2023. The details are as follows. Next, you have to write the details of the competitions, which can include any detail, but here I am including three details, that is the venue, eligibility and time of the competition. So, for example, I am writing venue is school auditorium, eligibility is class 6 to 10 and date and time allotted to the competition is 28th February 2023. Time is from 11 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. Next, you have to write students who are interested can give their names to their class teachers by 23rd February 2023. For further details, contact undersigned. Here, you have to write the name and designation of the person who is supposed to write this notice. Here, for example, I am writing Sanvi Bishwal, head girl, class 10A.